Tunay na dahilan ng pagsuko ng pangunahing doktor ni Miss Kris Aquino, abay lumabas na ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Of course, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko pong pasalamatan kayo for always watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much sa inyo pong palagi ang panonood at palagi ang pagsubaybay sa mga updates po natin, daily updates with regards to the latest showbiz news, Philippine showbiz news. So this time, let's talk about Miss Kris Aquino, kung saan kamakailan lamang ay pinag-uusapan po ang ilan sa mga inilabas na katotohanan sa tunay na lagay ni Miss Kris Aquino. Kasabay nga nito ay nagtrending din ang ilan sa mga pag-amin nitong si Miss Kris patungkol sa kanyang love life. Matatandaan na umamin si Miss Kris Aquino patungkol sa kanyang present love life na si Dr. Padlan, na sinasabing isa sa mga pangunahing doktor nitong si Miss Kris Aquino. So, naglabas siya ng saloobin or sinabi niya ng tahasan na hindi umano siya minahal nitong si Dr. Padlan. So, dahil po dito ay naglabas din ng saloobin si Miguel Lorenzo Padlan na anak ni Dr. Mike Padlan tungkol sa mga naging revelasyon ng Queen of All Media na si Kris Aquino. Dumepensa kasi si Miguel sa sinabi ni Kris na hindi siya minahal ng kanyang amang doktor. Nagsasalita raw siya ngayon dahil hindi na niya reveals ang mga false accusation against his father. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Facebook account, kinumpirma ni Miguel na hiwalay na nga ang tatay niya at Kris na hanggang ngayon daw ay nirespeto pa rin ng kanilang pamilya. A son's love and truth defending my father's honor, a title na nilagay ni Miguel sa kanyang post. I am the son of Dr. Padlan. I am speaking up because I love my father. I cannot remain silent while false stories are being spread about him. It is disheartening to see how some people twist the story and create baseless narratives that only cause unnecessarily drama. I kindly ask everyone to stop spreading lies and fabricating stories that are unfair and misleading. Simulang pagbabahagi ng anak sa dating karelasyon ng doktor ni Kris. Patuloy pa niya, the truth is simply yes. My father and Mama Kris separated because the spark between them was gone. However, that does not mean my father never loved her. It truly did. The relationship was real and he cared deeply for her, but love alone is not always enough to make a relationship last forever. Sometimes two people are simply not meant to be together in the long run, no matter how much they once love each other, paliwanag pa niya. Revelasyon pa ni Miguel, what pains me is the most that during the relationship, my siblings and I often felt neglected because my father was constantly traveling to America to be with Mama Kris. He gave so much of his time and energy to her, even at the cost of his own well-being. There were times when he had a little to no money left and was losing patients at his clinic, yet he still chose to be with her. However, let me make one thing clear, my father never asked her for anything. He never begged for money or gift. Whatever Mama Kris gave, whether financial support or presents, she did so out of her own kindness and generosity. Despite all the hardship he faced, both emotionally and financially, my father never abandoned us. He remained present in our lives even during the most difficult times. That is the kind of man he is, selfless, loving, and strong. And that is why I'm speaking up now. I cannot stand by and watch his name be dragged through the mud with false accusation and misleading narratives. Good people cannot be brought down. Pagtatanggol pa ni Miguel sa kanyang ama. Patuloy pa niya, soon, my father will leave the country to care for my aunt who just had surgery because that is the kind of man he's always putting others first. My respect for Mama Kris remained immense because my father truly loved her. It may hurt to admit that my siblings and I sometimes felt neglected by our father, but we understand Mama Kris needed him and we respected that. All we ask is that she does not spread stories that are untrue. My father, friends, and patients now who is truly is, and they can attest to his character. We love you, Mama Kris, and we love our father as well. Family is family. That is why I'm here to support my father and stand by my family. Ang kabuoang pahayag ni Miguel. Sa Instagram post ni Chris noong March 16, ibinalita niyang hiwalay na nga sila ni Dr. Mike. Now, Dr. I love left me because he wanted the freedom to travel, to break free from needing to care for the reality of Chris Aquino, who had multiplying autoimmune disease with so few treatment options. Enough time has passed. He did not love me. So, ganun po kasi yung iniwan ni Miss Chris. Kaya naman, sumagot po yung anak nitong si Dr. Padlan para po ipagtanggol yung kanyang ama. And dahil po dito, the truth in his words, iniwan kita dahil mahirap kang mahalin, sobrang sikip ng paligid. My prayers that he will not stop trash talking and cursing my best friend and doctors who are still doing all they can to improve my quality of life, proving everyday genuine love, compassion, and loyalty. Sabi pa nito, no? So, talagang sobra po yung naging pagdadrag ng name ni Miss Chris Aquino dun po sa pangalan ni Dr. Fadlan na talagang binabash po dahil po sa kanya. So, dahil po dito ay dahil si Dr. Padlan po ang isa sa mga specialist doctor, talagang parang personal na doktor ni Miss Chris Aquino, siya po mismo ay sumuko o sinukuan na rin itong si Miss Chris. Sa gitna ng kanyang patuloy na laban sa mga autoimmune disease, muling naging usap-usapan si Chris matapos niyang ibahagi ang masakit na katotohanan sa likod ng kanyang paghihirap sa dating kasintahan at dating pangunahing doktor na si Dr. Mike Padlan. Sa isang emosyonal na post sa Instagram, isinalaysay ni Chris ang kanyang nararamdaman at ang mga pangyayaring naganap sa kanilang relasyon. Ayon kay Chris, iniwan daw siya ni Dr. Padlan dahil sa kagustuhang magkaroon ng kalayaan at hindi nakayanin ang responsibilidad ng pag-aalaga sa isang taong malubhang karamdaman. So, sa isang panibagong update, ibinahagi ni Chris na tumanggi na si Dr. Padlan na manatili bilang isa sa kanyang mga pangunahing doktor. Ayon sa kanya, naiintindihan niya ang desisyon nito, tumaasa na darating ang panahon na pareho silang magkakaroon ng kapayapaan sa kanilang mga puso. Sabi niya, I am sad that you declined to remain as one of my lead physician, but I do understand what you meant when you said let me go. Mahirap talaga kapag magkaibang mundo ang pinanggagalingan at nakasanayan. Patuloy ang pakikipaglaban ni Miss Chris Aquino sa kanyang karamdaman. Sa kasalukuyan, siya ay may 9 na autoimmune disease. 5 sa mga ito ay maaaring magdulot ng kamatayan. Kabilang sa kanyang mga indang sakit ay lupus, arthritis, polymyositis at acute fibromyalgia. Dahil sa mga ito, nahihirapan siya maglakad at nakakaranas sa matinding pananakit mula sa kanyang mga tuhod hanggang sa mga paa. Sa kabila nga nito ay nagpapasalamat din naman sa kanyang mga anak na si Bimbi na laging handang tumulong at mag-alaga sa kanya. Sabi niya, I cannot walk each step is agony. The excruciating pain is from my knees all the way to my feet and combination of deep bone. At bagamat ang kwento ni Chris ay isang patunay ng katatagan at determinasyon sa harap ng matinding pagsubok, sa kabila ng mga personal na sakit sa hamon ng kalusugan, pinipili niya pa rin magpatawad, magmahal at magpatuloy sa buhay. Ang kanyang kwento ay nagbigay inspirasyon sa marami na harapin ang buhay na may tapang at pag-asa.